central sulcus actually has a bunch of pencil marks on this model, and the lateral sulcus is here. Frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe. If I separate the cerebrum at the lateral sulcus, I reveal more hills and valleys that are deep in the cerebrum. This is the insula. And if I take the model apart and I just look at these little models that we have a lot of, these hills and valleys are the insula, the region of the cerebrum that's deep. Okay. This model also is cut to where you can see the cerebral cortex, which is this pink around the outside edge, following all the hills and valleys of all the regions of the cerebrum. Cerebral cortex, and then the white material here is the central white matter. On this model, here's the insula, here's the thalamus, and the basal nuclei is the smooth egg-shaped region between the two. So if we look at the preserved specimen in plexiglass here, here's the cerebral cortex following all the hills and valleys. Sorry, Blair. Cerebral cortex, here's the central white matter. This hills and valleys cerebral cortex is the insula, so following hills and valleys with its own cerebral cortex but deep to the temporal lobe is the insula. This whitish structure is the thalamus, and the gray matter that is lateral to the thalamus is the basal nuclei. So it goes thalamus, basal nuclei, insula, temporal lobe.